hard of hearing community face significant challenges in daily life because most people communicate verbally rather than through sign language. This creates a huge communication gap between them, making it hard for deaf people to chat with friends, teachers, doctors, or at work without help. All tools like human interpreters or large video models are not practical. They are costly, not real time, and also they are not available all the time. And they are costly especially for poor families in places like India, where 63 million people have hearing problems. These solutions don't work in real time and can't handle back and forth talks as well. This leaves deaf people dependent and stop them from joining our society, online classes, events, and jobs fully. This is where our project Signum shines. It is low cost, real time speech to sign language conversion, bridging the communication gap between the deaf and non-deaf people. Signum helps users to fully participate in conversation, lectures, and events without delay. Our project can help hard of hearing people to live more peacefully and enjoyably in the society. It can function as a daily translator, allowing the deaf and hard of hearing community to interact with teachers, doctors, peers, and society without delay or dependency. It can translate complete videos, audio lectures to ASL for deaf people also. It can translate our live conversation in sign language so that deaf people can participate in conversations freely. We designed a new and affordable way to translate speech into sign language, reducing the overall cost by almost 80% and making it accessible for everyone, especially those from poor and underprivileged backgrounds. Our system starts by using speech recognition to convert spoken words into text. Then a pre-trained text-to-gloss model transforms that text into sign gloss. Gloss is the written form of sign language. After that, the glosses are translated into the sign movement. Then that a sequence of sign movements which are then applied to a 3D avatar that performs the sign in real time. The most unique part of our system lies in the gloss to movement translation. For this, we built and trained our own AI model from scratch using Transformers architecture. We trained it on our own dataset which we created by extracting poses from video and saving in JSON file. These videos are from an open source how to sign dataset which contains sign language videos along with their corresponding sentences. This helped us create our own lightweight dataset of JSON format, reducing the data size and training cost by nearly 80% while keeping the same quality and accuracy. Our trained AI model outputs pose landmarks for each gloss in MediaPipe format. These landmarks are then converted into joint angles using inverse and forward kinematics, which are finally applied to a 3D avatar to perform the correct signs. Now let us see DSignum in action in real time. Hello, how are you? I am best. So as you saw, this is converting speech into sign language, and this is our project DSignum, converting speech into sign language and empowering the deaf community. Thank you.